Morning futures trader. This is David on May 23rd, Monday, 2022. The time, I haven't got it up there yet. Here we go. My alarm clock. The time is 8:42. Make it a little there. All right. It's getting rolling here. Monday. Looks like it wants to go up a little bit. Went down and now, yeah, it's tearing up. So we'll turn it on. See who can get me to the prized goal at either 2,000 or 2,500.
Order submitted.
Here we go. Let's see what the ES has.
Order filled.
Both of them. Okay, let's get up there, guys.
Order filled.
338. I think I got this profit zone a little bit too high. A little pullback. Come on, let's get some lift here, boys. Buyers, get back in there. Maybe it'll be a rally Monday. Yeah, I think it's going to get some teeth and go up. Yep. That next level. Come on, rise to the occasion. Two, 32, 33, 33, 32. Yeah, it's just bobbing around, figuring out who wants what. $31. Come on, let's see some 34s.
Order canceled.
Boom, boom. Look at that. Gotta love it. So I'm at 1,000 here, and I'm at 338. Let's see what it did for strategy. I am at, okay, gross commission, gross here, $61. So I made 1,000 right there. Let's concentrate and focus on the ES, see what we can get out of that.
Order filled. Order canceled. Order canceled.
I would say that today's day is over. That is, let's see here, strategy performance. I'm going to blow this one up. I'm going to have to figure out how to template this to keep it. See if I can do it. So I want it so you can see. Grid. Yeah, I want that at 25. So let's see if I can make a template out of it. Properties, is there a template? Let's see one. Maybe up here. Properties. Screw it. You get the gist anyways. Commissions was 122 and I was successful 88%. If you do this all month, you're looking at $52,000. So $31 or no, 122 on commissions. So I mean, can't scoff at that. I made it there. I made it right there. So we're good to go. All right. Well, this was a good Monday. Beautiful day. Thank you for watching. I will keep coming with the videos.